In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what to click, and how to get your digital code delivered to your inbox quickly and safely. First, a quick update so you know what you're purchasing. Fortnite now uses Fortnite gift cards, sometimes called Epic gift cards. You redeem these on your Epic account for V-Bucks, the Fortnite crew, special packs, and more. The old V-Bucks only cards are being phased out, though you might still see a few in stores while they last. If you come across one, that's fine, but most online listings will now be the newer Fortnite gift cards. To buy a digital V-Bucks code online, start by choosing a trusted retailer. You can use reputable digital gift card marketplaces like Driffle, Dundle, or U7Buy, or stick with major stores you may already use, such as Amazon, Best Buy, or Target. The key is to shop on a site you recognize and trust. If you're unsure, look for clear product descriptions, visible customer reviews, and secure checkout indicators before you proceed. On the retailer's site, use the search bar and type Fortnite V-Bucks gift card. Open the product page and read the details carefully. Confirm you're buying a digital code rather than a physical card if you want instant delivery. Also, check the card amount and make sure any region or currency noted on the listing matches your Epic account region. This avoids issues later when you redeem. When you're confident it's the right item, add it to your cart. Take a moment to double-check the quantity and the total. If there are any promotions or discounts clearly offered on the page, this is a good time to apply them. Next, go to checkout and enter your payment details. Most sellers accept major cards, PayPal, and sometimes other methods. Ensure your billing information is accurate so the order isn't delayed. If the site asks for an email address to deliver the code, type it carefully so the message arrives in the right inbox. Complete the purchase by confirming your order. Many retailers will process it within moments. You should receive your digital gift code by email, often instantly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and check your spam or promotions folder. When the message arrives, keep the code secure and don't share it publicly. That's it. You've successfully bought a Fortnite V-Bucks gift card online and you're ready for the next step, redeeming it on your Epic account whenever you're set.